Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Arash and today I'm going to talk about Bitcoin and inflation rate. I'm going to explain the correlation to you, and don't forget that this video is not a financial advice and I am not your financial advisor. Everything you see and hear in this video is made with educational purposes. As you can see, Bitcoin price right now is $48,000 and the majority of cryptocurrency market is green today. We can see a little bit bullishness in the market, but in this video we are going to talk about consumer price index or CPI, which is 6.8% right now. We are going to explain the correlation between Bitcoin and this index. As you can see, we had a potential bottom in September 2015. Let's check Bitcoin price. As you can see, we had a potential bottom in 2015 and in September. After this date, CPI has increased until somewhere around 2018. Okay, let's check Bitcoin. September 2015 is here, and somewhere around 2018 is here. Okay, as you can see, Bitcoin price and inflation is truly correlated together, because after this date we had a decrease in CPI. CPI has moved down and you can see a big correction in Bitcoin price. Let's check another example. In May 2020 we had a potential bottom in CPI. May 2020 is here. After this we had a massive increase in CPI. It's going to the moon actually, and it's totally scary. The inflation in United States is really scary right now. It's moving up dramatically actually, and you can see after this date we had a massive increase in Bitcoin price too. So Bitcoin and inflation rate are correlated together, and when inflation is moving up we have a massive increase in Bitcoin price too. And right now with this CPI we might see another bullish wave in Bitcoin, okay? Because Bitcoin and inflation are correlated together. When inflation is moving up, we have to see some massive increase in Bitcoin price. If you like my content up to now, give me a thumbs up and like this video, and I recommend you to watch this video first.
The S&P 500 is up 28% in the last year. Now, if you're looking for the real inflation rate, that's a lot closer than the CPI is going to get you. But if you want to know what people who think about money for a living really think about the economy and the value of the US dollar, look at the value of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is by definition a refuge from inflation. People buy Bitcoin when they decide the US dollar is no longer safe. What's happened in Bitcoin? It's up 164% in the past year. Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies up 622%. So you should consider that a referendum on the strength of our economic system as judged by the people who know the system best, because that's exactly what it is. So these are major changes to the US economy, and they're very ominous. For financial journalists, there is no bigger story right now than this, what we just said. And yet, amazingly, these shameless hacks are studiously ignoring it.
As you see, everybody thinks that Bitcoin and inflation rate are correlated together. I think the same, but in order to do the wise thing in cryptocurrency market, you need to buy at the bottoms. You have to find potential bottoms in cryptocurrency market in order to do the wise thing. And right now we have some potential bottoms for Bitcoin. The first potential bottom is going to be the area near $40,000, for example. 41, 42, 43 is going to be the potential support for Bitcoin. The second potential bottom for Bitcoin is going to be somewhere around $30,000. Okay, so when we have some data like this CPI, we need to find potential supports too. We cannot just jump into some trades and start buying Bitcoin. We need to be wise and careful in cryptocurrency market, because cryptocurrencies are extremely volatile, and if you trade without experience, without knowledge, you are going to make a huge loss. In order to see Bitcoin on higher prices, we need to break above this $70,000. As you can see, Bitcoin price is forming a trading range. The top of this trading range is $70,000 area here. and the bottom of this trading range is somewhere around $30,000. And when you have a trading range like this, the middle of this trading range is going to work as a potential support and resistance area. We had resistance here. After that, we had support here, resistance, resistance, support, support, support. Okay, so right now we have two potential supports. The first one, $42,000. The second one is going to be $30,000. If we see any kind of breakout from the upside of this trading range, for example, if we break $70,000 area on daily time frame, we can see Bitcoin on higher levels. For example, Bitcoin price can move up for another 120%, which is going to be somewhere around $148,000. Okay, I think we are going to break above this trading range with this inflation rate, and it's going to happen from $40,000 or $30,000. Okay, we might see $30,000 again. It's a small possibility, but it might happen. But after that, I think we are going to see $70,000 Bitcoin, and also we might even break above this trading range, and we might start a new bullish wave like this. You know, it was the first bullish wave. This whole trading range is a correction, which is going to be end from this $40,000 area or $30,000, and after this we are going to start a new wave to the upside. Okay, this is what I think about Bitcoin with this inflation rate, and also with the on-chain data that I'm monitoring every single day. And right now I want to talk about some on-chain activity. For example, we have some wallets in cryptocurrency market, and these wallets are holding more than one Bitcoin. We are seeing some breakouts in these wallets. We had a double top in here, but last night we had a breakout in these wallets, which is really a good sign, because wallets with more than one Bitcoin are showing us the trend in cryptocurrency market. When price is moving up, but these wallets are selling, we are going to see a correction. When price is moving down, but these wallets are buying, we are going to see some bullish trend. Okay, so in order to sum up in this video, I can see some bullishness in Bitcoin, and I think we are going to see higher levels. We are going to see higher levels from $40,000 or $30,000 area, but I'm quite sure that we are going to see higher levels in Bitcoin in upcoming months. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget that this video is not a financial advice, and I am not your financial advisor. See you later, guys.